Now at 5:30, let's take a live look across the river at southeast Portland. It is just so beautiful out. It's just like summer with the temperatures getting up into the 70s. But we do hear the geese honking that they're leaving us. Not a good sign. Well, in just a few short months, the chance for Portland area snow is on the rise. Local meteorologists and weather enthusiasts today gathered at OMSI to discuss this year's winter outlook. Our entire KOIN 6 weather team was there. KOIN 6 meteorologist Josh Cozart explains what we could see in the months ahead.
Snow, ice, and bone-chilling temperatures were experienced last winter around the Rose City. So as a weak La Niña starts to take shape out over the Pacific, that means a cooler and potentially wetter winter for us here in Portland and much of the Pacific Northwest.
That doesn't necessarily mean we may see a big snowstorm. There are some La Niña years where it hardly snowed, but then there are some La Niña years where it snowed a lot.
But the big question is, will Portland see ice, snow, or even a wind event this upcoming winter? The potential is all there, but what about the timing? We're really looking at the month of December and potentially into February as some of the peak active winter weather here across the Pacific Northwest.
I think we're definitely going to see some snow this winter. I also think that we do have a chance of seeing some ice as well, so I would highly suggest getting those preparations in order.
That exact timing or number of major winter events is nearly impossible to forecast more than a week or two out. But the KOIN 6 weather team will continue to monitor winter weather conditions in the months to come. So from the National Weather Service,
You should always be prepared for any winter weather that may strike.
Well, I like Josh's honesty, you know, that it is very difficult to predict that far out. But
Right.
Jamie, you were there at this National that's why you have to say this.
Right.
The conference.
Lisa, you could just say the AMS chapter of Oregon, then you're good there.
Oh, that's good. But
Right.
you were there today.
Yes.
And, you know, among all the folks that were there, you know, looking at the forecast, what it's looking like. And it was interesting, you're talking about some of the observations that several people had that were presenters.
Right. So basically what they like to do, obviously with a weak La Nina forecasted for this winter, you go back and you look at the history. So they had all these years where Portland saw a weak La Nina, picked out different things where they saw common themes, and that's where it's, you know, typically below normal for those temperatures and a little wetter. So we'll see how that's looking. But hey, this week, Thursday, we saw some mountain snow.